girl, I don't buy drinks at the bar. City girl, get it right with me, I'm a star. Get it, girl, keep on going, you gon' make it far. Get it, girl, get it, girl.
Hey y'all, so for this tutorial, you will need a cutting board, an aloe vera plant. For my leave-in, I'll be using my Sleek Pro SweetMoroccan leave-in conditioner. For my oils, I'm using 100% coconut oil, my anti-breakage growth oil, my organic hair growth serum, and Jamaican black castor oil. You will also need a small jar and a spray bottle. So before I started to cut my aloe vera plant, I rinsed it off with water, just regular plain cold water. Then after that, I'm cutting both ends off of the plant, and I'm gonna cut the spiky sides off. So after taking my ends off, I'm going to cut this plant into 2 pieces, and I'm going to take one of the pieces and put it off to the side and save it for later. And for my other piece, this piece will be used to prepare my aloe vera oil. So I'm going to cut this piece into smaller pieces. Moving on to the stove, I'm going to put all the oils that I named earlier into this pot, and once all my oils are in, I'm going to turn the stove on low and let all the oils melt together, let it sizzle a little bit. Then I'm going to put my aloe vera pieces inside. So while my oil cooks, I'm going to prepare the leave-in conditioner. So remember the piece that we put off to the side earlier? You want to take that piece and you want to cut it into small pieces. Then you want to cut the plant open and take all the aloe vera juice, slime, whatever you want to call it. You want to take that out and put it into a big bowl. After that, you want to put your slime juice into a small blender and you want to blend it real good until it's like a liquid consistency. So after blending your slime juice, you want to take a strainer and strain it out. Just in case the blender didn't blend everything real good, the strainer will catch it. I really didn't need the strainer like that because I blended it pretty good. So it's whatever, I still used it. So to prepare your leave-in conditioner, you want to take your spray bottle and you want to open it up, put any kind of leave-in, any brand leave-in conditioner you want inside your bottle. Then next you put your aloe vera blend, then a little bit of water. Then after you add all of that, you put on your top, then you shake it up. Okay, so I came back to my hair oil and this is how it's looking. I left it in the pot for about 25 minutes, so I'm about to take it out. Next, you want to strain your oil into a large bowl and kind of do this little hand motion to make sure all the oil is getting inside the bowl. Then next, after you finish, you want to put it inside your small jar. Make sure y'all stay tuned for my next video to see how I apply this onto my hair. Turn on that post notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.